Hello everybody! We are Chloe x Jasmine. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications.
And also, if you would like to see us more, you can follow us with all our social medias down below.
So to begin, we're going to start with what you need. And we went to our local Dollar Tree where we're doing 7 of them. So we got 7 photo albums, $1 each. Total for 7 and a ruler. We got a ruler to get specific angles and make sure everything's even on the glass. So for all that, it was $8.66. And then next, we went to Walmart, which is where the main stuff comes into play. Got a bottle of Mod Podge. And
we also got ultra fine markers so that way we can get the detail of the play button. Then we went to the printer shop. There it was a little difficult to get everything printed. Yeah, believe it or not.
We have a printer. It was just cheaper to print it than get ink because our printer ran out of ink.
We're too lazy for that.
And broke.
I ain't lying. Okay. So at the printer shop, we got a total of 14 pages, and that is because we printed 3 of these for me and her.
Yep.
And then we got an extra one for a friend. And then to go along beside it, we got the photo that's going to be actually on the glass. So this one is more like the tracer.
Yes. So this is going to be here. These little photos, you crop the individual album, and then there's why the black frame is around, so we can cut around it and glue that on the picture frame. And then next we have the screenshots, and on the screenshots you're only going to use the bottom half of here, and you're going to put that on the bottom of the frame. Okay, so first step is to get your photo albums. We're going to take off the wrapping and deframe the glass, and we're going to put that in a time lapse, so keep on watching. So in this clip, we are separating the frame from the glass, and we are going to pull up the prongs. Some of them are very tight, so you may need scissors to slide them under and pull it up. And be careful on this part because the glass is very sharp. And as you can see, guys, we did that for all 7 frames. So you just want to do those for every frame that you have. Okay, guys, next we are going to cut out our photos. We only have 1 pair of scissors, so there's no point in time lapsing that. We all know how to cut paper. So we'll be back after these short messages. Next, we're using Windex to clean the glass to get rid of fingerprints. Hey guys, so if you happen to mess up, don't worry, we have a hack for you. You are going to need a toothpick, and what you're going to do is let the paint settle for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to slowly chip at the paint, and it will give you straighter lines and a cleaner look. And by using a ruler, you can mark and plan where you want your screenshot to end, just so you have even edges. Alright, and we're removing the paper, and you see the finished look of how the paint looks on the glass. This is the step where the Mod Podge comes in, and you want to place that Mod Podge on the picture side of your paper, aka your screenshot. And you want to apply a thin layer all over it, and especially in the corners, so you don't get lifts. Lastly is placing the photo onto the glass, and the easiest way to do this as straight as possible is to place the wet Mod Podge photo on a flat surface facing towards you, and to wiggle the glass in the air and kind of eyeball it as you're placing it down. And once you think you have it right, just plop it down. Don't hesitate. Once you have your photo exactly where you want it, you're going to take a flat object. In our video, we took the bottle cap of the Mod Podge, and you want to kind of go back and forth on your photo just so it takes out all the air bubbles off the frame and you for sure get a good seal on that photo. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and sticking with us. And if you like what you see, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We are CXJ, and
We will see you next time. Peace.